What is going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning in and happy Tuesday. Today is October 27th, and on this post, we're going to be talking about compound token, COMPUSD. If I'm currently bullish, bearish, and what my short-term price prediction is on this market according to what I'm seeing in the charts. Before we begin today, please do read my full disclaimer below, as I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. You should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market. Now, if you guys do want to support me and don't already have a WeBull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link in the video description section below. They are still giving away 3 free stocks upon successful sign-up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive free stocks upon successful sign-up, so I would truly appreciate that. Now, if you guys do have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, as I will not be able to get to all the messages in my inbox. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, do subscribe to me. If you guys are watching this on TradingView, please do follow, as I will keep you updated on the latest setups on the cryptos on my watch list. Now, let's begin and take a look at what's going on with Compound. Now, I am on the daily chart here, and since the sell-off back in September, we have been on this downtrend and have been very well below this blue line right here, which is the daily 21 moving average, okay? But since today's candle, we have actually gone above this daily 21 moving average, and that could be a signal that this trend, this downtrend, is going to reverse. Now, this is only a signal, and we're looking for further confirmation, but this is a pretty good confirmation towards the right direction, because if you ask yourself what will it take to actually break this pattern of a downtrend? Well, the first thing is we have not even been able to close above this blue line right here, and closing above this blue line right here may be a pretty good signal for a reversal. Now, the other thing is I also do want to take a look at 12-hour charts, and as you guys can see here as well, since the downtrend, we have not even been able to touch the white line right here, which is the 12-hour 50 moving average. So the only time we actually touch it is actually we breached it, and since then we have not been able to get above it. Now, since yesterday, we have actually got a solid close, and now we're actually retesting that breakout level and see if this price action can stay above it. Now, we have about 3 more hours until this candle close. If this candle can actually stay above it and we can actually get a bounce from this level, then that would really add more validity to this breakout. Now, that is the bullish case scenario. If we actually do stay above the daily 21 moving average and the 12-hour 50 moving average, my price prediction before the next resistance is at about the 127 to about 130 level as of today. And let me explain why. So currently, the immediate resistance that I'm seeing is the 4-hour 200 moving average, which is the orange line right here, currently at about 115. And we have already tried to actually get above this orange line right here, and this is a 4-hour time frame. So if we actually do get above this 200 moving average, then the next levels of resistance would be the 6-hour 200 moving average, which now is at about 129, and that's also where about the daily 50 moving average is, which is the white line right here. So these are going to be the next levels of resistance. So there's some room to run if we actually get above the 4-hour 200 moving average, which is currently at about 115, and we have about between 115 to about 128 to run. But do keep in mind that these moving averages are currently downward sloping, so as time goes by, that can actually close up the gap and make the room smaller. But these are the next real levels of resistance, in my opinion, that we will hit. Let me know what you guys think. Now, the bearish case scenario, of course, it's important to acknowledge both your bearish case scenarios and your bullish case scenarios, just so it gives me a pretty good idea of when I should get out and when I should stick around. Now, the bearish case scenario, of course, if we actually close a daily candle below the daily 21 moving average again, and that would tell me that this downtrend has not yet really reversed, and we're actually going back into that downtrend pattern where the price action sticks around below the daily 21 moving average. So that is something to be watching out for. Now, two other things I'm also watching out for is the total altcoin market cap, which is total 2 symbol on TradingView. Now, that would give me a pretty good early warning on what altcoins may be doing. Now, I am seeing some bullish sentiment on the total 2 symbol because we have actually broken down from a head and shoulders pattern on a 12-hour time frame, which is where you can see the most clearly, and we have actually bounced back from that breakdown. So that is pretty bullish to me, but I will still keep an eye out on it because any bearish move that happens on total 2 will give me an early warning, if not a current warning, what's about to happen with compounds. The other thing that I will also be watching out for is any pullbacks on Bitcoin, because that could just kick a lot of your altcoin setups useless if there is a significant move or pullback on Bitcoin. So that is also something I'm watching out for. But all in all, if the price action continues to hold above the daily 21 moving average on compounds, I am still bullish. Now, this concludes my short analysis on Compound USD. I hope you guys have found it helpful. If you guys did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me any feedback, agreements, disagreements, and I hope you guys have a nice day. Manage your risk carefully, and I'll see you guys next time.